What it is, yo? Oh, what's up? It's Asia and Nantucket.
Something cracking like that.
We are back with another episode of Shots and Swatches. Doing a little something different today. Your girl's not drinking no alcohol. What we doing in that?
Wings. Cause this bitch loves food.
And the reason why we're doing our Shots and Swatches now because we got some brand new Stunna lip paints. These ones are like the bold, bright colors that, as you can see, we're wearing one on our lips. You'll find out what shade this is, and you can actually go get them today. Yum.
Everyone's gonna judge me so hard, but I'm gonna do it because I don't care what people think.
She bougie. She eating with her fork.
Should we eat like this?
Yeah. I need some spice. Voila. That was really mild.
That's all right. All right, so we're gonna start off with the first Unbuttoned Stunna, and for those of you who don't know, I love this lip paint because it's super long wear, really soft matte finish. What I like about it is just it's not so matte that your lips don't feel dry. It's just like a really comfortable matte. This
is a test to see if you know how to color in the line.
I like to use like a slightly darker lip liner than my natural lip color, and then I'll line the outside and then use this as a really nice nude to create like nice little outline and dimension.
I don't know how to color in the lines, y'all. That's what I love about Stunna. Like, you can eat some crazy food. You can eat spaghetti. You can eat a burger. You can eat some wings. It's still gonna be right on your lips. You don't even have to reapply, and that's no fabrication.
Facts.
Oh, we have mango habanero as an option, but that looks sweet. I want to do mango habanero. That sounds like it's gonna take it up a notch.
Give me the habanero. These are good.
Y'all saw that. Still there. I licked my lips and everything. I ain't even trying to be cute about it because when I'm eating wings, like, who cares?
How's it look? Still on.
So next up, we have another Boss New shade. This is Uncuffed. Your girl is not cuffed up.
She isn't. She's ready and available.
We're going to find me somebody this year. But if I don't have anybody, I can still wear this shade. It's super beautiful. It's like a mauve-y.
Yeah, super pink. You know, depending on your skin tones, it could look a little deeper than this, or it looks just like this, or a little lighter. So let's see how it looks.
Honestly, though, you can see it's a lot pinker than it looks on the applicator, and this looks closer to my lip color.
Yeah, you know, this whole like beginning of the
excuse me.
With this whole beginning of the year thing, we thought we'd like switch it up. We thought about, do you want to tell them our other idea that we thought about?
Let's save it.
Okay.
Let's save it for later. This one looks a little spicy. Are you a drums or a flat girl?
Is this the flat?
This the flat.
Yeah, I'm a flat girl, but I don't.
It's no more flats because I took it.
Worries.
Sorry.
Are you a drums or are you a flat girl?
I'm a mix, honestly, which is not normal. It's starting to take in.
I like it's a slow burn.
So Nanette, on the scale, Nanette has a higher tolerance for spicy. Girl is starting to kick. I am like medium spicy. So I would give this an 8.5, and I'm gonna drink some milk.
I'm like sweating, but it's not intolerable. But under my beret, it's a different story. Okay.
My tongue is shaking. Wigs are quaking.
She about to be bald after this. You can. You have a little sauce on the corner, but I think it's cute.
No Stunna sauce.
It's just that we can't speak for the sauce. That's not long wear.
Tastes good though.
Sure does.
Now I'm still watering.
All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. Let's wipe this off.
I just finished that milk. But this silk is not going back in the kitchen. I know that.
We're moving on to Unveil, a rich chocolatey brown color. This one's amazing. I think, you know, we don't always say this in our captions or whatever, but Rhea honestly sent this back to the lab like 2 or 3 times. It was really coming down to the wire, but she had to make sure it was a perfect nude.
Yep.
Brown nude.
I know our chocolate sisters, they be like, Unveil's my color. Even not the chocolate girl. Everyone loves this color. I would say this one is definitely a fan favorite. And I'm just like, let me just put this on my lips. Okay.
How's this look?
Great.
All right, we're gonna do these ones wrapped in foil.
Oh, because they're lined. They're a little different. I didn't know your finger stops you from that.
It does.
It looks like you're having a little bit more trouble than...
How dare you?
It's okay. My sister does some shit like that.
It's also because I hate when sauce gets under my nails.
A nail later. You never heard of that? It's a nail later. You save it for later. Yeah, now you save it for later.
As a germaphobe, I find that very unsettling.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10 for spicy,
It's like a
-10.
Actually, that's a good summer wing because of all the lime. How's it look?
Still in place.
It's like nothing's changed.
Really?
Yeah. Yours look perfect. This is one of my favorite colors. I'm so excited about this. Been dying for it. Tell them where it's at, y'all.
Tell them where it's at, y'all. It's at FentyBeauty.com, at Sephora, at Harvey Nichols, and Sephora and JCP, in case you didn't know. But I think what she wanted to know, to let y'all know, was that it's a coral shade, which is the Pantone color of the year. That's what I think you was trying to say, right?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, let's do this.
I'm sweating.
Oh my gosh. One stroke intensity.
So I have a question for you. You know how some people line like the Cupid's bow, or do you prefer like a round kind of lip shape versus, you know, where it like overlines a little bit?
I don't even have a Cupid's bow, but I have like a little dip, and if I do it round, girl, this is gonna look like a booty hole.
Okay, moving on to some wings.
I'm scared because this is dry. That's misleading. I feel like it's gonna knock my socks off. But I'm gonna let you go. You get that flat one because it looks spicier. And I might have to add a little blue cheese or ranch or something.
Oh my god, I love sauce. Look at those blue cheese sauce.
If you don't
My lips are burning and I can't tell if it's from wiping the lip off so many times or the wings.
No, bitch. Look, that's how spicy it is. It got me talking spicy. The is motherfucking spicy. This one is like a cute hot pink. Your girl's hot and pink at the same damn time.
That's
like these wings.
So how are you feeling on this wing challenge versus shots and swatches?
Honestly, this is harder than shots, the alcohol, because I drink. I don't know if I eat this much spicy food.
Ooh, looks good.
Come kiss me, fellas. Let's do it. Let's do a chili wing.
Chili wing, okay. That looks kind of spicy.
Take your little wing, girl.
Okay. I feel like I've been taking all the. Oh, there's two flaps. Okay. I like this one. It's really like. It's sweet. So, girl, I was thinking the other day, I had went out and somebody was talking about Stunna lip paints, and I was like, you know, they are undefeated. So I'm really excited about this. I like to say it's like a plumish purple shade. I love a deep, dark, sultry, like I love black, I love dark blues, and I love dark purple. So I'm excited for this. I feel like it's gonna go really great with my beret. So pigmented.
And it's true, like this literally, I haven't redipped any of them. I just go one time and, well, it's really so true. Like people think I'm just saying it, but Nanette really can pull out every shade. So sometimes it's kind of like, I'm tired of giving you compliments. I'm tired of it.
Wow. This looks like classic buffalo wings.
Yeah, this looks like a classic buffalo. I'm getting a little random kick here and there.
Was thinking there's fruity undernotes to this, like Al Pastor, you know, has pineapple in it. I feel like there's some fruit in the sauce, which I'm digging. Ready? We're on our last stretch. Ready for the last two. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but the next shade is the OG Uncensored, the very first lip paint that we brought out, the perfect red for all y'all. I love this one. It's just, it kind of brings me fond memories of when we launched. It was the only one we had.
Oh,
good times.
And like this red is so good for everything, for Valentine's Day, for Christmas, for when you want to curse somebody out. Girl, wear your red lip.
Woo.
Boom.
That one, I don't know. I was all nervous with that one. I got the chicken wing shakes, you know?
We should get a little spicy because we got the little tamale lip going.
Ooh.
We are in for a surprise. It got some sesame seeds on it.
Yeah.
Take that saucy one.
Hell yeah. Oh, wow.
In place.
Looking good, girl. Shall we move on to the next one?
To the last one. You want to that wing up, huh? We are at the final countdown. We're at our last shade. You know, there's a girl who always likes to pop up uninvited, and we love her and her Stunna matte black. Just so you guys know that this cap is actually hyper limited edition, we should say. So the matte black is all sleek and cool, but this will not be in our permanent collection. So what that means is that once we are out of these, we're gonna go back to our classic, you know, the little rose gold. So get it while you can.
I would also love your guys' input on if you liked the wings or you love shots, or what should we do next?
That looks like a Sharpie right on my lip. Black. You know what I love about this lip is like, it's just like the red, a color that I would never think to try. But I put it on and I felt like a bad bitch. For real.
That's because you are one.
Oh,
it comes from within.
Oh.
But this helps.
Let's give it a wing.
All right, let's give it. We're ready for the wings.
I'm so full, my stomach is like, please don't put anything else inside. What you thinking?
Your lip still looks amazing.
Yay! I mean, of course.
All right, y'all. So that was all 8 Stunna shades. Oh my God, it was rough, but we did it. We have never done a video quite like this, but I thought it was really fun.
It was really fun, and I'm really full. I got the itis. My lips is the tightest. Catch us in our next episode of Shots and Swatches.
Stay tuned, because it's going to be even different.
Even different.
Even more different.
It's gonna be real differenter.
And we out.
Yeah.